Hello, Pisces. December is a month of introspection and transformation for you. The retrogrades in play this month may encourage you to reflect on past actions, decisions, and relationships. While this might slow down some progress in certain areas, it is also a valuable time for closing chapters and preparing for a fresh start in the new year. Let's see how the planets will shape your journey across various areas of your life this month. December brings a mixed bag when it comes to your finances. Mercury retrograde in your 10th house of career and public reputation indicates that misunderstandings or delays in professional agreements could impact your financial situation. You may need to revisit old financial projects or plans, and there could be a need to adjust your budget due to unforeseen expenses. Mars retrograde in your first house of self could cause frustration regarding personal earnings or your financial independence. It is important to avoid making significant investments or financial decisions without thorough research and a clear understanding. Venus's shift into Aquarius at the end of the month will bring some relief, helping you gain clarity and make better financial choices moving into the new year. For your career, December may feel like a time of reassessment. With Mercury retrograde in your 10th house, there could be confusion or delays in your work, particularly regarding communications with colleagues, clients, or supervisors. You might also revisit past career projects or opportunities, offering a chance to reevaluate your professional goals. Mars retrograde in your first house of self can bring frustration over your career trajectory or personal achievements. It's time to reflect on whether your current career path truly aligns with your deeper desires. Be careful about initiating new job ventures during this retrograde, as there could be hidden challenges or setbacks. However, by the end of the month, Venus entering Aquarius will bring some positive momentum and clearer opportunities for advancement in the future. Your love life this month could feel somewhat reflective. Mercury retrograde in your 10th house may bring misunderstandings or unfinished business in your relationships. You may revisit past partners or deal with unresolved emotions related to previous romantic connections. This retrograde may cause you to rethink your romantic priorities or communicate your feelings in ways that might be misunderstood. Mars retrograde in your first house could bring tension or frustration in your relationships, especially if you're feeling a lack of appreciation or understandings. This might lead to conflicts or feelings of being misunderstood. However, Venus in Aquarius at the end of the month will soften the energy, bringing warmth and healing to your love life. This period is great for focusing on self love and improving communication with your partner. December may not be the best time for long distance travel, as Mercury retrograde in your 10th house could bring travel delays, miscommunications, or changes in plans. If you do need to travel, make sure to double check all arrangements to avoid mishaps. Mars retrograde in your first house suggests that personal travel may be frustrating or exhausting, especially if it involves emotional or physical stress. This might be a good month to stay closer to home and reflect on the journey ahead. The last week of December, when Venus enters Aquarius, could offer a window of opportunity for smoother travel experiences, so be open to short trips or getaways if you feel the need to recharge. For students, December calls for revisiting past work or projects. Mercury retrograde in your 10th house may bring some confusion or delays in your studies. This is not the best time to start new educational endeavors, but it is an excellent period to review and finalize past assignments, papers, or research. Mars retrograde in your first house could cause frustration with your academic progress, making it hard to concentrate or stay motivated. However, by the end of the month, when Venus enters Aquarius, you may feel more inspired and energized, allowing you to refocus on your academic goals and work with a clearer mindset moving forward. This month, your health may require more attention than usual. With Mercury retrograde in your 10th house, mental stress could take a toll on your overall well being, especially related to work or public expectations. It is important to find ways to manage your stress levels and avoid overburdening yourself with responsibilities. Mars retrograde in your first house may leave you feeling fatigued, low on energy, or frustrated with your physical health. Pay attention to your body's signals and avoid pushing yourself too hard, especially when it comes to exercise or physical activity. Focus on nurturing your emotional and physical health with activities like meditation, yoga, or light exercise. By the end of the month, Venus in Aquarius will bring some relief, helping you feel more rejuvenated and balanced. This month, the retrogrades may trigger some emotional introspection. Mercury retrograde in your 10th house can bring old memories or unresolved feelings to the surface, causing you to reconsider your emotional and mental state. Take time to reflect on your goals and desires and allow yourself space to heal from past experiences. Mars retrograde in your first house could leave you feeling emotionally drained or disconnected from your own sense of purpose. Use this time to reconnect with your inner self, find peace in solitude, and focus on emotional self care. Venus's move into Aquarius at the end of the month will bring a sense of calm and clarity, allowing you to regain a more balanced perspective. December is a month for introspection, self reflection, and reviewing past choices. While retrogrades may bring delays and frustration, they also offer the chance to reevaluate your goals, relationships, and desires. Take this time to nurture yourself, resolve unfinished business, and prepare for a fresh start in the new year. By the end of the month, the energy will shift, bringing new clarity and opportunities for growth. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'm your astrologer N Baksh. We'll meet in the next video.